Hi everybody, how are you? Well, welcome to my bathroom. I don't know how to turn the camera, and so I decided to make it like this. I'm going to show you how to make your own lotion and your own deodorant. I have been doing this recipe, personal recipe. I don't know about the amounts or how much you have to put of each ingredient. I just calculate everything. So, but you're going to save a lot of money. You're going to feel very grateful about doing stuff for yourself. And let me show you here. I have these different kind of oils. This is my bathroom, literally is the only things I have. I don't use any brands, or let me open to the cat. And I use this water, rose water, coconut oil, shea butter. There's two types. I'm going to show you this one. I ordered for Amazon. This one my sister gave it to me, and well, I actually have to make more lotion because this is already almost gone. So this is baking soda. You are going to really need it. And this is a deodorant. What I do for the deodorant, I grab a little bit of this with my finger, and it's kind of thick, so I mix it a little bit of baking soda, shea butter, and essential oils. So I'm going to try to do a coffee one this time for the skin to make it a little bit more bright. So anyway, the deodorant, I do it a little bit of this. It's like it's thick, it's like a pasta or something, and smells very good. And I put a little bit of this kind of water that I have it in my other stuff, and I spray a little bit of this, and then I put it in my armpits. So here we go. What we're going to mix today, it's going to be hard to make the video and then to show you how to do it. So for now, I'm going to share the ingredients, and I'm going to make another video to show you. That way I can set the camera down and to show you how to do it, because right now it's kind of little uncomfortable. But yeah, I promise you are going to spend maybe less than $50 in all of this, and it's going to stay like for more than 1 year. You're not going to need to spend more money, and you will save a lot. Right now, when, as I said, we all want to save. The oils is your choice. It can be any kind of oil. I have tea tree oil, lavender oil, coffee. If you want to make it just for smell, whatever, choose any kind of oil you want. And that's it. Any suggestion, questions you have for your lotions, if you already do it, let me know, and I will love to hear what you do for yourself. And yeah, have fun. I will do the other video with how I mix the ingredients, because this is kind of thick too, very thick, and this one too. So I really want you to try to play around and to experiment. Find your ingredients. You can find it in Amazon, and it's organic and all that fun stuff. Okay, I will see you later.